Hello everyone, my name is Denilson, and I am part of the technical support team at Control ID. In today's video, I will do the unboxing and introduce some new features of the iDUHF Lite structure. The iDUHF Lite is a plug-and-play vehicular access controller. It has an internal storage capacity of 200,000 users, a reading range between 35 and 40 feet, and a horizontal angle of 30 degrees on each side. Additionally, it features embedded software for registration and configuration. First, we have the protective foam to safeguard the equipment during transport. Next, we have the iDUHF Lite itself. We also have the installation mount for the iDUHF Lite. In addition, we have the mounting components. Next, we have the quick guide with some product information. Now we have the SEC box, which is the external activation module. And finally, we have the interconnection cables, the terminal block, and a diode. The changes we made to this equipment is that its back cover now has weather protection due to its silicone coating and cable glands. Because of these changes, the installation process is different. After removing the screws, you will have access to the main board. To pass the network cable through, it must not yet be crimped, so we pass it like this. After crimping it, you can connect the cable normally, and to ensure 100% sealing, you must secure the cable gland. The same procedure should be done for the power cable on the other entry point. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video. If you have any questions, please contact our support team. And if you'd like to learn more about our company, visit our website. Thank you and see you next time.